Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, my co-hosts are MIA. They've been up in the window all day. Even my little meow meow, who never comes out when I'm filming, was up in the window, and I thought, oh, maybe he'll be, yeah, no. As soon as I started to come over here to get my filming stuff, he was gone. So maybe one day he's getting braver. He's getting a lot more out of the box. You know, he was a rescue. He showed up in my backyard one day with Callie. Callie was more friendly. Him, I had to sit outside for months on end. I would go outside for like an hour and just sit completely still and kind of toss a little treat out here and there until he finally got brave enough to come up to me. And that was when he was a kitten. His back leg was injured, but it wasn't injured to the point to where I had to take him to the vet. He was just limping on it a little bit. But he's been very skittish ever since. And I didn't mean to get into all this. You know how I am. I just start rambling. Anyway, Old Navy, Banana Republic, all those stores, you know, you go on there, you type in Old Navy, you're shopping all the stores. So the reason this started, this particular haul, is because I was getting the Daily Look box. And they sent me an absolutely gorgeous pair of faux suede pants. I fell in love with them, but they wanted like $150 for them. I went to the brand site. They wanted like $130. I couldn't pay that for a pair of pants. So I went looking around to see if I could find me some other faux suede pants. So you will see a few different hauls with that kind of thing in there. But this one I actually got from Old Navy, Gap, whatever, what all is in there? Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta, I believe is how you say that. But it's in that section of stores, ordered from online. So we're going to look at these and see how I did. Now, y'all are going to have to help me because for some reason, my contact is doing that thing where I've got a cloud over it. I've tried the eye drops. The only thing I didn't do was like take it out and really cleanse it. But I already had my makeup on. I was afraid I'd ruin it. Yeah, I know I'm lazy. But anyway, I'm having trouble seeing. So let's see what we can find in here. It came in 2 different bags. It's 3 different pair of pants. And man, do I love that faux suede feel. I'm so crazy about it. It's just my favorite. So these are high-rise, soft stretch, vegan suede, skinny jeans. They are $40.79. Now somehow I had a promotion to get 15% off the purchase. So I did get a discount. They're normally $47.99. So let's look at them. You know I love high rise. I do like skinny this time of year. I knew I was needing some black. I'm scared to death I'm gonna get fur on them, y'all. But here they are. Oh, they're so soft. These are Banana Republic brand. They are in a size 30 or a size 10. Let's look at the back. Hope y'all can see. I can't tell if you can. It does have the V in the back. Just a simple, very nice skinny jean. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. I may not want to take them off. They would match my outfit today. Today, since I'm gonna go to my mom's in a few days, I decided that I was going to pull out all of my plaids. My mom loves wearing these button-up plaids, but she's kind of worn hers to the point to where they need to be thrown out. And so I said, well, Mom, you know, I've lost a lot of weight. I'll go through my closet. I'll see what will fit you, and I'll just bring it to you. So I probably tried on a dozen different shirts, and I probably kept 4. And the rest are in a box. They're going to go to her. She can decide if she wants them or not. If she doesn't want them, I'll end up putting them on Poshmark or Mercari or somewhere like that. And when I do, of course, I will let y'all know. So if you want to buy them, you can. Here is the second bag. But anyway, that's how I ended up with the plaid shirt on. I got distracted. So here's the other 2. These are the high-rise, soft, stretch, vegan suede, skinny jean. I think it's the exact same one. It's just in a different color. So I just got these in the, yeah, it calls them brown. So they came in the brown and the black, and I just bought both. Imagine that. Why would I do such a thing? Like I said, Banana Republic, they are the same size, the 10 or the 30. I hope I like them since I bought 2, or I'll have to be returning both of them. But yes, the ones I did have from the other store, they had this cute plaid on them. And that's what I really wanted. But this brown was pretty close to the base color of those. And I thought, oh, wouldn't those be cute? So, we'll try them on and we'll see what we think. The third pair are these high-rise recycled bootcut pants. These are not the faux suede. They're in heather gray, but they're still soft, really soft, like almost look like they're worn down soft. I need some dress pants for church. I do, because I love wearing the skirts and stuff, but when it gets colder, you don't want that breeze on your legs. You want to wear something. So I grabbed these. These are also Banana Republic. They do not have stretch. They are size 10. Boot cut. No front pockets. Back pockets are, like, I guess fake. Yeah. So I don't love that it doesn't have pockets. But I love a boot. Uh-oh. Look at that. They left the thingy on. And it's not like I stole it from the store. They shipped it to me. I'm going to have to talk to them about that. If I want to keep them. I don't know if you can just pop them things off. Anyway, so there's the boot cuts. We'll try all this stuff on. I can't believe that tag thing's on there. That just kind of flustered me. You know how easy I get flustered. They were also $47.99. I did not get a discount on them. I just did on the faux suede ones. But I'll show you my outfit of the day. I'll try this stuff on. I'll see you there in a second. All right, y'all. So here is my outfit of the day. The plaid shirt I got, several years ago from Maurice's. The tank top, probably from Walmart or Target or somewhere. These jeans are cut from the cloth. And these cute little shoes I think I got these at Maurice's as well. And aren't they adorable? Oh my goodness. But my feet are cold. Jewelry, I know this is, yeah, they're both Rocks Box. All right, let's try some clothes on. Y'all, I think I hurt myself squeezing into these pants. I can't breathe. They're so tight. They're too tight. I need a bigger size. They're, whew. Let me put you down. You can see my underwear and you can see that it's pushing me out up here because they're so tight. But aren't they cute with the little flare? Yeah, I don't know. I may try these in a larger size. I just can't do this size. So let me try the other pairs. Y'all, I really wanted to love these, but they were still also a little too tight. Not as bad as the other ones because these have some stretch in them. But yeah, it's buckling out right here because they're tight. I mean, not that tight doesn't look good, but it's so tight you can see every wrinkle in my underwear, y'all. So these are also going to be a no. I'm sure the black one's going to be the same since they're the same pants, but we will try them on just to make sure. And the rise is a little too low for me. You know, I like it a little higher so that it doesn't stick out. See, this is why I like getting them in different colors. The black ones fit better than the brown ones do. They actually come up higher too. I don't know how that is because they were exact same pants. The other ones were supposed to be high rise as well. I just may need a bigger size in the browns. But the black ones are fine. What do y'all think? Do we like them? They're super comfy. All right, I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, I am back. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed that these brown suede pants didn't work. And I'm tempted to size up to a 12 and see how they would do on me because I think this is a beautiful color brown pant. I don't know if I exchange them, if I would get that discount I had on there or not, or maybe I can just wait until there's another sale. But these for sure will go back because I'm just not fitting in them yet. Maybe one day. These also did not work for me. They were tight, tight, tight. Now let me know if you think I should size up on these as well because I am tempted to because I thought they were cute. I love that boot cut of them. You know, they were just so cute. Great little pant, comfortable. Tempted to resize on these. But they smell a little funny. I'd have to air them out a bit. Now these I just might keep. They actually did fit me a little better. Y'all tell me if they look too tight on me. I need to know these things, okay? Don't feel like you're gonna hurt my feelings. Y'all just tell me. I I need to know, because I don't want to be going out wearing something that don't look good on me. You know what I mean? But I love the feel of them. Super curious to see how they will wear. I've never worn a jean in faux suede before. I've always just had the jackets. But yeah, super fun. So, I don't know, I'm tempted about keeping this. I am going to watch the video back, hopefully after I get my eyes right, because yeah, my contacts are all kinds of fuzzy, and I cannot see anything but the outline of me on the camera, and I can see the outline of Miss Cali Cat on the camera. It just happened. I think it's time for me to take them out and give my eyes a rest. Get some new contacts in. You know, these are the ones you wear for like a month. So, anyway, that was the haul from, where was this from? They were from Banana Republic. I'm tired, y'all. I've been filming several. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Y'all, press that button notification bell so you can know when I put out new videos. You know, sometimes when I do collabs and things like that, they don't always come out at the same time. If you've pressed that notification bell and filled it in all the way, you get all the notifications from me. And I'm not sure, but I think that it would also let you know if I put anything over in the community section, which is really cool. It's like YouTube's own little version of Facebook, and we can put it in our own little section and comment, and I would love it if you would go over there and say hi to us, tell us where you're from, tell us what kind of stuff you like to wear, all that good stuff, what kind of content you want to see. If there's a certain store you'd like to see a haul from, if there's a certain color or shape of clothing, anything like that, I love it. I would love to hear all of that. I would love it if you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you're still subscribed to all your favorite channels, because YouTube, you know how YouTube is. Up and down, all the time. Never know what our number is going to be. And share with your friends so we can get those numbers up. You know, I do giveaways on big numbers. I just did a big 500 subscriber giveaway. When I get to 1,000, it'll be even bigger. Y'all, I love it. Hi, Miss Cali Cat. She's like, move that computer, Mama. It's in my way. And like the good little trained human I am, I do what she wants. Y'all, have a wonderful day, and God bless.